Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock, guys. So let's jump into the price action, but also I want to take you over this some of the news and articles that are out there for Elon Musk's package. Next week we would have a vote. I think 13th of June is the date for that. And so there's definitely, expect a lot of price movements happen right around that time because look, I don't know how price would move around that news. When I say I don't know, what I mean to say is that if package is approved, I cannot guarantee that price is going to go massively up or price is going to go massively down. It's going to happen massively. The price will move massively, but there is no way to prepare around that. Like, my opinion is that though, if package will be approved, this price would go higher because that will show that Elon Musk would be incentivized again and the trust building, right? Because um, he delivered on these promises, but then package is taken away from him by the judge of Delaware. But then so it's technically a distrust that can create an Elon Musk, right? It's like um, like cheating from the behind, right? Like the contract was built on if he would deliver, and he did deliver, right? So, and now it's being taken away from him. So it just creates that sentiment of mistrust he might not feel contributing towards Tesla. And so that can spiral into, Tesla share price itself, right? And let's go over some of the articles now, guys. Here's the thing: many of them you would see on media as well. Some are coming like hedge fund managers and all of those. They say, hey, we'll vote against Musk plan or whatever. Look, guys, you just never know what behind the scenes they have their position. They might have a huge short position piled up, and that's why they're trying to come to the media and then say negatively about it because they want the price to go in their favor. But price has really not been obeying or favoring them. You can see $175 has been holding strong. But I'll jump into technicals in just a second. I just want to go over this Norway's oil fund to vote against Musk $56 billion package, how much they hold. I think the Norwegian funds own about 1% of Tesla, worth about $8 billion at the end of 2023. So, well, it all comes down, and I have seen some hedge fund managers from different places come in and say, hey, we'll also vote against Elon Musk, blah blah blah, right? Kathy Wood is backing up Musk on the package, and there are some other people as well, like I think Ron or Rob Barron, I think he's also supporting the package. But anyways, the move will be huge, whatever it would be. But let's go over the technicals because I still see that the I think in just my opinion, guys. Look, I don't have a fortune teller ball, okay, and I don't have a crystal ball. So, but I just looking at the price section, again, I really don't want to get ahead of the things here, but look, buyers have been really holding 175 while sellers have been trying to push it really low, right? All the time that you can see the level of 178 to $180 as the seller's zone, but buyers are still always holding for more than a month. This no kidding, like it's literally more than a month, $175. I think there is high likelihood that Tesla will continue up after that package announcement, and I think it will be approved. But just my opinion, guys. Look, I don't know about that, but let's go over the technicals. So we have closed above 20 days moving average. Again, we are above 50 days moving average. We are though also selling off same area, 178 and $180 still. So yes, we are 50-50 right now between bulls and the bears. The direction is not coming, even though I think there is more room to the upside, but it's just not happening that right away. And I think the catalyst would be Musk package. So now, what taking a look at hourly interval, we do have a pivot. As long as we are above this, we should be fine. Also, let me adjust something on my indicator real quick here, guys. Let me, oh, here we go. Intraday depth level high. Yeah, so and also, well, we if we can, if we don't break below this trend line, or if we don't break below 176 and 83 cents, this is a good upside play. And Monday, look, you can see that again Tesla has sold off in that same region of 178, right? So fingers crossed that this week would be the week of the move, and we can get above this area of 178 and $180, because only after that I am seeing some strong moves to the upside. Otherwise, guys, you know this area very well by now, right? This just such a sell-off area, like, and then yes, there's this buying area as well, but it's just sandwiching, right? Just sandwiching. Anyways, and again, like, if we anytime lose 176 and 82 cents, you can expect again we are testing 175. But again, we have 50 days moving average sitting below on the daily interval. Again, I'm still in the bullish camp. It's 50-50 technically, but it's more like 55% to me right now. Price action with this trend line, holding strong, still to me looks like it's at least 55% to 60% bullish in my opinion. All right. So yeah, and so that's pretty much it, guys. It's Tesla is not complicated right now. There's no special price action on this. And yeah, we as long as we stay above $175 range and 50 days moving average, bulls just have more control of Tesla. And also, since we are above 20 days moving average, I would say bulls have more control on Tesla. It's just that we need to get above and close a day above $180, because the sellers are still sitting at $178 range. I can show you 5 minutes interval as well. You can see that very particular last day as well, right? We had this supply zone created. Tesla tried its best to get out of it in that same area of 178 to $180. However, all the time it just got sold off, and you can see that head and shoulder pattern. But then we were also bought back up. So yeah, we just landed halfway through. But yeah, it's important for Tesla to get above $180. I gave you the levels as well to watch on intraday if you want to play short or long. Just rewind the video if you missed that part. So yeah, I talked about it in the mid of this video somewhere. All right, guys, yeah, not complicated, and that's all for this video. But yeah, this week with Elon Musk's pay package would definitely give move to Tesla. All right, with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.